Okay, problem number two. Two airplanes leave an airport at the same time. Each flies at a speed of 110 miles per hour. One flies in a direction 60 degrees east of north. First thing you gotta do is figure out what 60 degrees east of north looks like. This is north, south, east is over here, west is over there. So 60 degrees east of north. So here's east of north. So that's your 60-degree angle right there. Drop a 60 in there. And then it says the other flies in the direction of 40 degrees east of south. So here's south, here's east of south. Heading that direction, that's east of south. So here's our 40 degrees. Most important thing here is recognizing that if we have 60 degrees here and 40 degrees here, that's 100 degrees of the 180 that is involved there. So this angle in between there is going to be 80 degrees. And that's going to be very important. How far apart are the planes after 3 hours? So after 3 hours, we're going to have gone 110 miles an hour for 3 hours. So I went 330 miles. So 330, and if they're both going the same speed, that one's 330 and that one's 330. So here's their spots right now. If I connect those two guys up, then I have a triangle right here. So now it says how far apart are the planes after 3 hours. One thing about this triangle is it's isosceles, and I have 80 degrees on the vertex angle, which means the other two have to total 100. That makes this 50 and this 50. And now I can use the law of sines to solve. I can do the sine of 50, whichever one you want to use is fine, over 330 miles equals the sine of 80 over x, which is how far the two planes are apart. A little cross multiplication station there, and 330 times the sine of 80 divided by the sine of 50 on the old calculator, and I get x is 424.2 miles apart. So important thing here is 110 miles per hour, and they throw in this 3 hours. That gives you your distance of 330 miles since they're going the same speed. Recognizing that it's an isosceles triangle means that this is 50 degrees and this is 50 degrees, and now we can solve and get whatever we need.